This is a very crucial topic on matters timely and early warning systems. It all emanates from the weather and climate information.
In terms of weather and climate information services, there's definitely a lot of developments and work that has been done in recent years to expand on this area in the Drylands. But we think that while that's valuable, there's more that we could do. Improving access to information services is not enough, while important, right? We still need to make sure that there's other steps that are fulfilled so that information can truly lead to action and to people using it in decision making.
If this information is relayed to them timely and in the right shape in terms of the message, it can be used to strike things which affect them.
We want to build information systems that are centered in helping people make decisions. So a few important steps there are making sure that information is comprehensible, that people can trust the information, and that information is actionable.
Those people who depend most on the weather and climate information are the pastoralists, and those people who depend on rain-fed agriculture. They need to know the areas where they will get the fodder or the pasture from, the water point areas, and the amount of water they anticipate to get so that they can do their timely and early action. When the information is not conveyed to them, the effects are adverse and severe, whereby you have experienced loss of cows to drought. And if they have this information in time, they can decide when to sell when their livestock are still nutritious. Unlike when the information is not there, you find that they succumb to losses.
We think it's important to think about different capacities and different actors in the pastoralist regions. Of course, we have the herders themselves, but then we also have intermediaries who may be faith-based groups, maybe local organizations, maybe radios that are spreading this information. We have different actors in government, private sector. It's important to think about how to tailor information to these different actors so that it can be spread and used better. We think maybe some areas where we could put more work in are, number one, leveraging local intermediaries more, involving them more in the process of spreading information, making sure that information is clear to them and then they're able to communicate that to the end users.
The opportunity which is there is the integration of the system between the indigenous knowledge and the modern science. If we could integrate these systems, we could better understand both systems without sidelining one of them. And if we could change our approach from project-based to partnership-based, they will feel like they own the initiative.